Alright, so this is a quick video. 03 Cobra, H&R Super Sport springs, which give it a nice rake, but a little too much height in the back. So what I'm doing is I've taken the springs off and I'm cutting a single coil out of the spring. 03 Cobra, H&R springs, Super Sports. Got a decent rake on the front, but sit kind of high in the back. So pull the springs off and cut a coil off. There's the coil I cut off. Exactly one turn off the H&R Super Sport springs. So I'm gonna put them back on and lower the car. This side's gonna be a little more difficult because I got an airbag in it, compensate for the leaning over to the right when it launches. By the way, my Cobra has a solid rear, which I swapped the IRS out about a year ago after breaking a bunch of half shafts. There's the spring installed. Looks just like factory. See that? Hold my chicken for me. That's love right there. Hold my chicken leg. Hold my chicken leg.
Don't bite my finger.
So good. Wearing your boom boom pants off. Boom boom when you walk. Boom boom. Why are you wearing a sweater? It's 110 degrees out here.
Because I want to be covered.
But it's 110 degrees. Anyway. Alright, so this is the finished product. I had to wash the car.
Are you done with it?
No, I still want that chicken. Don't worry about my chicken. So there you go. This is after I cut the rear spring only. I didn't have to cut the front. So Super Sport spring, one coil cut off. This is how it sits. This is how I wanted it to sit. Now it sits the way it's supposed to. Nice and parallel like you want. Looks like it's supposed to. Even though it's got a solid rear, you would never know it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect ride height. Oh, and everybody's already been asking. Yes, it rides just like it did before. You can't tell any difference whatsoever. Those H&R springs are awesome. So anyway, there you go. Cut springs for the win.